Things I like to do before I leave the house. Son, happy and excited. Wife, happy, excited,
Wow, that looks amazing.
and serviced.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like.
All right, found a place to park. Pretty good spot, I've got to say. Almost brought my camping stuff, but I knew I'm gonna ride all day today because I don't usually come over here. I knew I wasn't gonna be able to ride tomorrow. I'm gonna be so sore because I haven't been riding at all. So, but this is an epic spot, man. River here, easy access to the road, not too many people going by because it's during the week. I think this trail goes even, because the river wraps around right here, I think this trail goes to another part of the river. So really awesome spot. And there's no fire danger yet, so I could have a fire here. I almost brought my camping stuff, but I think keep this spot in my mind, come back with the family to stay here. So it's a really cool spot. But yeah, gonna get all my gear on. It's getting hot. Pumped to ride. I'm gonna do a big loop up to the top and then go around the ridge line. And then I'm not sure how far that way. And then we'll come back down on the lower trail here. But yeah, pretty excited. Probably start you guys when I'm going up. Caught some deer. Both bucks. Yeah, both bucks. I can't believe how dry it is over here already. Like this lower stuff has been dry for a while. It's just the top that I think is finally cleared with snow, hopefully. Gaining elevation finally. Man, this rock is so loose. This is gnarly, yeah. Woo-wee. That looks different. Dude, I haven't rode in so long. Feels crazy, but I had to back up. I came up to that and I don't remember it looking like that, so I had to take a quick gander. Yeah, that caught me so off guard. I don't remember this trail. Cool little meadow. Man, it's so nice to be here a little early. It's all green still and not dusty. I mean, maybe if I was in the, oh yeah, Dusty's back. Ah, so nice. When you gain elevation, nice, it gets cooler, man. It's hot down there in the valley. This is so epic. I feel so grateful to live where I do. I just talked to so many people in different countries and, you know, they can't do this. So, yeah, very grateful. Yeah, Mount Clifty. Man, usually it's a lot cooler up here and windy. There's like nothing today. Ah, so epic. To the tip. Oh, that's so cool. You can see the trail right there. Oh, it's so awesome. This is a good place for a drone right here too. Oops. Oh yes, look where we're going. That's so sweet, just on the ridge line there. Heck yes. Oh man. What an awesome ride. Oh. Heck yeah. So that's Cle Elum Lake, I'm pretty sure. Oh, it's epic. Look at his views. Gee, what an amazing day. Look how clear it is. This is epic. It's not too dry yet. There's still, the dirt is still tacky. You can still get it when you want to. Oh, I think I might eat something, look at the map, try to figure out where I want to go. I don't know if you can see in the GoPro, but the trail goes down there. And you can go out to another peak, but there's nothing else really over here. I think I might take the one, I think it's on the other side of this rock ridge right here, on the other side, and it goes that way. I don't know, I gotta look at the map, we'll see. Well, GoPro's dead. I thought I brought another battery, left it in the car. I'm about on the coolest trail of the whole day, not filming it, which sucks. When you see a trail like this that it doesn't look like it's been ridden much and you see people just hiking on it, but it is a dirt bike trail, it's gonna be a pretty good trail, so I'm pretty psyched, but it sucks I don't have the GoPro so you guys can see it. I can't believe there's this much snow still. So I'll put up the map right here. I got stuck on snow the first time I tried to go around, and then this backside, this is the snow I'm running in now. And I can see I can kind of make it through here, but there's just more snow right on the trail over there. So this is an epic trail too. Oh, I just heard a jet go through. I think he was on one valley over. But anyways, yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go back the trail that I came on, which sucks. I love doing a loop. I went by this because I was trying to get that trail, but now that I came back around, I thought I'd take a little look. Man, if I was a bear, whew, be a nice pond right there. Look how cool this is. Meadow, just out in the middle of nowhere. So good. Ah, such an amazing day. Oh, the wind feels nice. Amazing day. I can't believe my bike, it gets such good gas mileage. Like, I still almost have a half a tank, and I did like 50 miles, but only 45 was it from trails. So epic. Epic day. This creek, dude, I washed off in it with the wind. It cooled me down. It was perfect. I thought I was gonna be too hot in the sun here with the car, but it was perfect. I love my setup. Oh, such a great day. Driving home, stoked. One rest day and then off to the ocean, I think.